How to insert emojis into a Microsoft Word document. This tutorial shows you how to add them directly using the built-in symbol picker. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. From there, click into the document where you want the emoji placed. After that, press Windows and period together. At this point, this brings up the emoji picker. Following this, browse through the categories like smileys, animals, or objects. From here, click on the emoji you want to insert. Once clicked, that emoji drops directly into your document right where your cursor was. If you'd rather search for a specific one instead of browsing, there's a quicker way too. At this stage, open that same emoji picker again with Windows and period. Following this, type a keyword describing the emoji you want, like heart or smile. From here, click on the matching result once it appears. That's how you insert emojis into a Microsoft Word document. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.